Welcome back to NAB Live 2014. I'm Michael Artsis. Wow, Wednesday is like the most exciting day. We pack it all in. We've got so much going on. It's amazing here. You're watching the Teradek show at the Teradek booth. Don't forget to go over to the Vitech booth if you're coming to NAB later, and you can drop your business card into the fishbowl, and you could win a Sackler tripod and a petrol bag. We'll be pulling those raffles later here on set at 5:30. In addition to that, don't forget to go to planet5d.com. If you're not making it to NAB, it's planet5d.com/NAB, and you could enter to win your chance to win a Teradek clip, the world's smallest encoder and transmitter for your camera. It's great for DSLRs, quadcopters, and a whole lot more. The Teradek clip. Check it out, planet5d.com/NAB. I'm Michael Artsis. Thanks so much for joining us. We have a great guest, Robin from Daley Digital. Thank you so much for joining us. It's great to have you on here.
Thank you for having me. It's
you guys have some big announcements this year.
That's it, we have extremely good news. So we are Daley Digital Media Systems, French company specializing in media asset management solutions. We cover several workflow markets like sports, news production and distribution, program preparation, production environments. And today at NAB, it was actually 2 days ago on Monday, we announced that we are acquiring and we have acquired Amberfin, which is a company, an English company specializing in media manipulations. So it's extremely good news because they are very extremely talented at what they do in terms of quality control, in terms of transcoding, in terms of media manipulation as a whole, and what we do best is media workflows, as I said, for news, sports, program preparations, archives. So it's extremely complementary. We are able, with this acquisition, to create really a worldwide leader in terms of media asset management, media manipulation, media workflows, and it really complements our product line.
I think media asset management is probably your bread and butter. It's what you guys are known for, and I think it's one of the most complicated, complex, and important things that people have to do these days. Tell me a little bit about a workflow that you think works with you guys for digital asset management.
Okay, so for example, one of our most used solutions in the world is Daley News Solutions. So those news solutions are used by some of the most respected broadcasters in the world, newsroom, like for example Russia Today, New York One, Time Warner Cable, France Télévisions in France. So we have very, very big broadcasters using that solutions. And what is unique on the market, it's like this is a completely end-to-end workflow. So from the ingest of the files to the production, the management of the file, of the metadata associated to each stories, each media, we are creating rich assets, and we are then distributing them, broadcasting them, and doing also the archives, the multi-platform distribution, so traditional broadcast, but also we are going to social media, to game consoles, everything. So really covering the entire workflow, end-to-end workflow.
So the new company you guys just acquired, they transcode, and you've got 4K transcoding coming up, which is super important, and it's super amazing because handling 4K footage is something that everybody is struggling with. We've got a C500, we're shooting raw to an Odyssey Q7, and dealing with all this footage that we're shooting is a tremendous challenge, and then transcoding it and delivering it is becoming a challenge, but you guys now have solutions for that.
So we have not announced yet a solution for 4K, but we are really working on that. So that's something we are going to be able to bring to the market in the forthcoming and the near future. So there is nothing yet announced, but for sure we are working on that. And thanks to the acquisition of Amberfin, and they have really an extremely talented team, some of the best people in terms of transcoding, in terms of media manipulation as a whole, as I said. So we are really happy to have this acquisition, and we think we are really going to bring something to that market and to that kind of transcoding tools.
That's really awesome. How do people find out about you guys, get involved with you guys? What's the best way to reach you guys? Is it daletdigital.com?
So our website is www.dalet.com, and we also have a presence on all the major social websites. We have a YouTube channel, we have an activity on Twitter, we are tweeting our conferences, our events, so people can get in touch with us with the website obviously, but also on the social media platform, and obviously at the trade shows. So we are present at NAB, in Las Vegas, sorry, at IBC in Amsterdam, but also we do between 12 and 18 trade shows each year. So we are really going into the local markets, and we are really going to those markets to understand those markets and to be present with our partners, our customers on those markets. So that's another touch point for people with us.
Are you having fun at NAB?
A lot of fun, yeah. It has been a crazy NAB with the announcements, but we also have several products announcements, new integrations with partners. We have one of the most open MAM platform on the market, so we have more than 100 of partners. It's a very wide ecosystem, so partner for automation or graphics for the TV, obviously transcoding, obviously all the media manipulation tools. So it has been a very, very busy NAB, sorry, and extremely fun due to the acquisition, but also due to the new products that we have announced for the news market, the sports market, and all the media asset management workflows like programs, like production and archives. So it has been really fun. We've been able to, and we are able to meet a lot of our partners and customers, as NAB is the biggest show in the world in terms of media, so that's already a great show.
It's very, very exciting. I think you guys have a lot of great stuff going on. Dalet.com, that is DALET.com. Now, at NAB, what's the most exciting thing you've seen here at NAB?
To me, the most exciting thing,
besides what you guys do,
besides what we do, I would say that the 4K transition and the new products going with this new wave is really amazing. We have seen so many new products about that, monitors, TV, and that's something which is really exciting, and we are looking forward to bring new enhancement to those products in the future.
I think this is the year for 4K, for content creators to really shine and to start making a lot of 4K content, for everybody to start using 4K as a content creator. I'm not sure the delivery is here this year. How far off do you see it being where everybody has 4K in their homes and on their computers, and 4K is everywhere on the consumer side, on the consumption side?
Yes, you are perfectly right. It's not currently like everywhere on the market for the delivery side, but I think it depends on the market. They are all very different in terms of geography, but I think it will take between 1 and 3 years to become widely adopted. So it's coming, and we need to work in that direction. We need to bring new products for that, but it will take a bit of time to be widely adopted.
Excellent, thank you so much, Robin, excuse me, from Dalet. Thank you so much for joining us, Dalet.com. I'm Michael Artsis. We have a whole lot more great live coverage here from NAB 2014, so stay with us. This is an exciting day, the busiest day, Wednesday. I'm Michael Artsis. We'll be right back after this.